All right. Hi. We're just testing the morning before we start our classes. I thought we'd warm up with how you should start your morning the way I do, with a healthy shake or smoothie. So what I basically do is put the banana and put it in there. You can cut up some fresh fruit, or you have some frozen fruit that also cools the drink and makes it icy. So this is a mango. Throw some of that in there. So what we need next, you can either use orange juice or milk. I usually go with a little bit of milk. And the final ingredients is the protein powder. That's really good for starting the day. Just one scoop. And we get to my favorite part, which is closing this securely and blending it. And you want to do it different speeds. And you can kind of do a little bit of, you want to play like you're driving a car. And there we do. We have it. Get a glass and pour the drink. And drink it. And then we'll start with our class. Cheers, guys.